In this video, we're going to show you how to update firmware on your Nadex cash register. First, we need to make sure the cash register is turned off. Next, we're going to use the included USB-B printer cable to attach the cash register to a computer for updating. You can find the printer port on the back side of the machine. Once you attach the USB end to your computer, you can begin the update. It's important to know before we can update, we need to turn the register on while holding down the clear button at the same time. After about 3 seconds, you will see a rebooting message on your screen. You can now let go of the clear button. This means the register is ready to receive the update. You can download the latest RWROM software file on our nadexcoins.com website support page. Enter Device Manager and look for ports. Here, we're going to find out which COM port your cash register and PC is connected with. In our example, you can see we're connected to COM 2. Once you open the RWROM software, make sure Mainboard Programming is selected. In File, enter Communication Settings and make sure the communication port is the same COM port we have connected. For us, it's COM2. The bits per second must be 115200, the default setting on this cash register. Once we enter this info, press Browse and select the latest update file. Once selected, we can press Program to begin the software update. For video purposes, this part is sped up, but the software update should take a few minutes. Once completed, you'll see the words Programming finished normally, and you can now turn your register on to finish the final steps. Once the register is on, turn the key to P for Program Mode. Enter Advanced Management Settings, hitting Subtotal to confirm. Here, we press Subtotal again to enter Initialize Setting. A warning will appear, and we press Subtotal one final time to confirm. Pressing Cache No Sale will complete the installation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch more of our helpful tutorials on this product.